Welcome back guys to this training. In this video I'll be teaching you guys on how to use the page builder to design a full customized website like this particular one right here. In our previous videos we were able to design the top bar of this particular website, the header, and then we are also able to customize our footer using the Ocean WP theme. Alright, so before I start, what is the page builder? So page builder is just, let me say, it's a software that enables you to build your website in the way that you want that website to be. For instance, this a particular website, so with the help of a page builder you'll be able to incorporate some of those things that you really want to be on your website. Like for example, with the help of page builder you can be able to achieve all of these this type of website, right? So for instance, in our previous video, where we were trying to edit some of this our home page and others, right, using the Ocean WP, though we were able to add some of this image and the text, right? But with this type of customization you won't be able to do much, right? Like for example, I want to add another text. For example, I want to add another text just like this particular one. I want to add another text to this our cover image. With this customization we won't be able to achieve it, but with the help of this theme builder we'll be able to achieve all of that. So that is just basically the work of this page builder, right? So that helps you to build your website so that let me just use the word, to a professional level, right? So they have you have more when working with a page builder. You have a lot of options that you can make use of to come up with something that is really nice. So let us go back one more time. Let's assume we want to customize this website like the ones we have been doing with the Ocean WP, right? Okay, so with the help of with our theme customization we are able to achieve all of this. Like we are able to add this background image, we are able to add this text on our image, right? But you might be wondering that if we can be able to achieve all of this, why then do we need the page builder? Like as I said before, you can't achieve all of these features, like adding all this background image, this paralyzer effect, like adding a shadow to the text, adding a text to another, stuff like that. Even all these buttons and all, you can't achieve that using just the theme customizer, right? So you need a page builder in order to achieve all of this customization. So that is where page builder comes in, right? So with the help of this customization, I might decide, though it might allow me to change the typography of my website. So what do I mean? So I might just go to this typography, right? So I might decide to change the typography of this website, like in terms of the type of font that I'm using, right? I might decide to change the font. So all of this I can achieve all of this using the theme customizer, but I won't be able to do much designs. I won't be able to achieve more without the use of page builder, right? So I don't know if you are getting what I'm saying. So with the help of page builder you have a lot of options, different resources in which you can use to come up with something that is really nice for your website. So when you are designing with the theme customization, the only thing that the theme customizer will allow you to do on a website is the header, that is the top bar, the header, and the footer. These are the things that you can be able to achieve while working with the theme customizer. But for every other features, you won't be able to achieve more by mere using just the theme customizer and the page editor that we use in adding all of this image and text, right? So with the help of theme page builder, you'll be able to achieve much more to come up with a well customized website like this particular one. You have this all of these effects that we have here. You'll be able to achieve more with the help of page builder. Alright, like this progress bar and others. All these are achieved with the use of page builder. So that is all about this page builder. And one more thing I want you guys to do before we go on with your page builder, like this particular website, you can see we are having this header, this home that is standing as a title rather, and we're having our sidebar. So how do we eliminate all of this? So what I want you to do, the first thing I want you to do before we go into our page builder proper, let's go back to our home page. Alright, so what I want you to do, go to your plugins. Alright, go to your plugins, click on add new plugin. Alright, so what I want you to do, I want you to install a plugin called Ocean WP. Ocean Extra, right? So this is the plugin that I'm talking about. I already have it installed here. Alright, so go and install this particular plugin here, this Ocean Extra. Okay, install it. Just type it on your, just click on add new. Alright, then you can search for it, Ocean Extra. Okay, just search for the Ocean Extra plugin here, then install it. When you are done installing it, then activate. Alright, then you come back, click on activate. So let me activate mine. Alright, then click on activate. Okay, so what we want to achieve with this Ocean Extra is we want to eliminate, let me go back to my site one more time. We want to eliminate this title that you are seeing here and this sidebar that you are seeing here, so that we'll be able to come up with something that looks exactly like this, right? So that is what we want to achieve. Okay, so let me go back. Then go back. Let me go back to the, alright, so go to pages, all pages, then home page, then click on edit. Alright, so as you can see, with the help of this Ocean Extra, I now have all these extra features. Then go to this title, go to this title, go to title, click on title, then click on disable. That is this main page title, this display page title. Click on disable, click on disable. Alright, so the next thing to do, just click on disable. Okay, then go to main. Alright, then on your main, select on sidebar, go to sidebar, click on main, then go to this content layout, click on the drop down, then select 100% full width. Remember that we want to eliminate our sidebar. Okay, just select 100% full width, right? Then click on it. So immediately you click on it, go to click on update. All right, click on update. Okay, so let's visit our site one more time and see. Okay, so as you can see, we no longer have that page title here and the sidebar, so we have been able to eliminate this we have been able to eliminate the sidebar and the title on our website. So that is how this OceanDoublo Extra works. All right, so what we want to achieve, we want to customize this particular website to something like this. All right, so in the same way, go back to your plugins. All right, go back to your plugins, go to add new, click on add new. All right, then search for Elementor. Just search for Elementor. Search for Elementor. Is a plugin that is the page builder that we'll be making use of. All right, so let me show you what I mean by Elementor. All right, so this is the Elementor that I'm talking about. By the time you are done installing it, then you click on activate. All right, click on activate. Click on activate. All right, so now we have our Elementor activated. Okay, then go back to your pages, click on all pages. All right, then let's edit this home page. Right click on it, open a new tab. Okay, so as you can see, we now have the option here, edit with Elementor. Right, click on it, edit with Elementor. So just give it some time to load up. All right, as you can see, it has loaded up. All right, so this is how our Elementor page is looking like. All right, so this is how the Elementor looks like. So these are all the options, these are all the tools that we can use to customize our website. All right, so we have a lot of options. All right, though we have the free version and the free and the pro version of Elementor. Right, so in this course I have I'll be giving you the free version, and the paid version is among the resources that you have for this course, so you can always make use of it. All right, so that is it. So this is how our Elementor is. So don't bother about all of this, because I'll be showing you on how to make use of all of these options that you have here in order to edit your website. All right, so this is how our website is looking. But as you can see, I don't need all of this anymore, because we want to achieve this particular website. All right, we want to achieve a well customized website that looks exactly like this. All right, so let me go back one more time. So all I will do, I will click on this delete button here. Right, so I can just delete this session. So you see, so as you can see, I now have a free space that I can work with. All right, so I now have a free space that I can work with. So here it says drag widget here. All right, so I can just decide to drag. Let me just drop an header. Right, so let me drop an header right here. Okay, let me drop an header. All right, so just drag and drop. All right, then I can centralize this text. So let me centralize. Okay, then go back, click on this icon here. Just click on this icon here. So I can also add, let me say I want to add another button. Let me just add another text editor. Okay, drag and drop. All right, you see, so I can add an image. Let me add an image. Go back, let me drag another image. Okay, you see, so this is how you can go on. So let me add an image to this. All right, so let me choose an image. Okay, let me select from the library I have from my library. All right, so select. Okay, so the image size, let me reduce. So let me go back, okay, so let me increase this image one more time. Let me increase this image. Let me increase this image size. Okay, let me increase my image. Let me increase the height. Can increase the height. Okay, so let me for instance, I want to add a text, or let me say I want to make I want to apply an overlay effect to this particular image, so I can achieve all of that. All right, so let me just make this image a full width. Right, let me leave it at 100%. Let me increase the let me increase the height a little bit. Let me increase the height. Okay, let me leave it like that. Let me go to session, edit session. Sorry. Okay, all right, then I can decide to add a background overlay. All right, let me add a background overlay. So let me make use of black. Let me use black. Okay, let me use black. Right, I want to select black. All right, so let me increase the opacity. Okay, let me make use of black. Then let me increase the opacity. All right, so these are things that you can achieve while working with a page builder. All right, so let me increase the opacity. All right, let me leave it like this. All right, so let me assume I want to add a text. Let me assume I want to add a text to this particular image. Okay, oh, why is my image? All right, let me reduce the size of this image. Let me reduce the height. Okay, let me reduce the height. So for instance, I want to add a text to this image. All right, so all I have to do, let me go back, let me drag this text heading, then I'll drop it here. All right, this is the text, and let me centralize it. Then maybe I want to add another text. I can also add another text. Okay, so let me add another text. So all I have to do, I just have to drag. Let me drag. Okay, and drop. All right, then I can add just like that. So this is how you can edit all of these stuffs using the page builder. So this is how you can be able to use a page builder to achieve a lot of customization on your website. So this is just an intro on how to use the page builder. So in the next class, when we'll be starting designing this particular website, then I'll be showing you step by step on how you can be able to use the page builder, your Elementor, both the free version and the pro version, to come up with something like this particular website, right? So that is what we'll be doing in our next class. All right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned till next class. Bye bye.